Understanding the phrase, get a leg in, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, get a leg in. This phrase can be a bit confusing for learners, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in. Get a leg in is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to describe the act of gaining an initial advantage in a situation or starting to become involved in something. It's similar to saying, get a foot in the door. The idea is that you're making a beginning or establishing a position in something new, like a job, a project, or any other opportunity. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Job hunting scenario. I finally got a leg in at the company I've been interested in. They offered me an internship. 2. Starting a new hobby. I've always wanted to learn guitar, and I finally got a leg in by signing up for lessons. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe the initial step or advantage gained in various situations. There are several phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include, get a foot in the door. This is probably the most similar phrase, meaning to take the first step in starting something or entering a field. Break the ice. While this is more about initiating a conversation or relationship, it can also imply taking the first step in a new situation. Understanding these variations helps in comprehending the nuances of English idioms. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, get a leg in. Remember, idioms like this are a great way to add flavor to your English and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll get a leg in on mastering English idioms in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.